So today's reading, we have the Wheel card. This card really speaks to, well, I asked the question, what are my followers afraid of? What is the block they're dealing with right now when it comes to fear? And it's all about change. It's all about ending things. It's all about experiencing that low before you get the high. It is all about the fear, and the block is all about change right now. And further so, the emotions around that come from a place of not feeling included, not feeling chosen, not feeling part of the community, so to speak. So just remember that it is okay to experience those lows before the highs. And the two cards together are really indicating that it could be time for a change around relationships for you. I'll leave that with you to digest.